All right, so you clicked on this video because you want to find out more information about synthetic wood shakes or synthetic cedar shakes. Now it's the same product, just some people say wood shakes, some people say cedar shakes. But in this video, we're going to talk about all the pros, we're going to talk about some of the cons, some of the applications that you're going to want to install a synthetic cedar shake, how much it costs, all the above. There's never been a video I've seen that explains the entire product lines on how they work, so that's why we decided to make this video. Now we're going to be using cedar. This is a synthetic cedar shake manufacturer out of Colorado. They just sent us a bunch of their product boards and stuff like that, so we're going to use them as an example. But anyway, let's get started with the video and go all things synthetic cedar shake. You might be wondering, who the heck is this guy giving me this information? Well, my name's Zach, the Roofing Maniac. I'm the owner and president of Digital Roofing Innovations. I'm a licensed general contractor and roofing contractor in over 9 states. I'm also a U.S. military veteran, so I promise you're in good hands. Let's get started with the video. All right, so let's start off by talking about what are synthetic cedar shakes. Now, as you can see, what this actually is supposed to replicate real natural wood shakes. So it's supposed to look like wood and mimic wood. And as you can see by this little product board, I mean, these look really, really good. I mean, if you didn't know, you'd probably sit there and look and think that you're looking at natural wood, which is really, really cool. There's a bunch of different colors. I'll show you this in a little bit later when we talk about some of the different colors and stuff that are offered, but this is what synthetic shake is in a nutshell. Now, I'm gonna read this product page. Now, while this is a cedar product, a lot of the other synthetic shake manufacturers are gonna offer something similar. So, we'll go ahead and start. Now it's supposed to be a beautiful wood look. It's low maintenance. There's no splitting, rotting, decaying, or insects or debris buildup. It's got natural movement and design into our product to give your roof a natural cedar shake appearance. It's energy efficient with an R value in excess of 2.0, providing added roof insulation. Has stunning curb appeal, unique grain patterns, color, and texture, which I showed you. The insurance savings, potential reductions in homeowners insurance. It's a cool roof rated product available in cedar or golden cedar. This again is a cedar product specifically. It's molded from natural cedar shakes with 5-inch, 7-inch, and 12-inch shakes, which I'm going to show you that here in a moment. It's got a 3/4 inch butt, providing incredible depth and shadow lines. It's a solid product color throughout, no cavity backs, very low water absorption, resists freeze and thaw cycles. It has state-of-the-art polyurethane technology, ages to beautiful natural wood tones, installs like natural cedar shakes. It's wind resistant, certified to 115-mile-per-hour wind rating. Now it's warranted up to 90 miles per hour. Please inquire in your area for a higher wind rating. It's lightweight, only 170 pounds per square. I'll talk about that in a little bit with some of the pros. And 50-year limited material warranty. Class 4 impact rating, which is the highest you can get for any roofing product. Has a Class A fire rating, so a proprietary fire retardant system, and no fire resistant underlayment needed to achieve a Class A fire rating. So that's a lot of stuff that we went over, but so our company actually installs natural shake, and there's some advantages to using the synthetic shake over the natural shake. One of the big advantages of the natural shake is that it does come as Class A fire rated. That's a huge advantage over regular natural shake, because natural shake you have to have, again, a special chemical put on that to make it fire resistant, especially a Class A fire resistant. Also, one of the things I like is that it's a Class 4 impact resistant. Regular natural shake is about a Class 3 impact rated, and that really just determines on the type of quality that you get for your natural wood shake. So that's kind of an issue for some people. They want that higher impact rating, and so I really like that about this type of product. A couple of the things I really like is how light this is. I talked about this earlier. This is only 170 pounds per square. This is the multi-width that I was talking about. So you install these multi-width to give it a natural look of wood shake. So you have all these different sizes that are put in, and you can use different sizes and irregular patterns, and it makes it look really cool, because on natural wood shake you have no two shakes are the same. So, but this product is so light, the guys love to install it. You install it the same way you do natural shake. You use 2 nails per shingle. And then, of course, compared to natural shake, this just has a lot more color variety. I mean, you have this blue, you have a black, you have all these different colors that's available in the wood. So I think that's really neat, because some people just, hopefully I got all that on camera, some people just really enjoy seeing a different color. I've seen the blue installed actually. It actually looked really cool. It was on a red brick house. I thought it looked really, really neat. And then I'll show you the product kind of up close again on a product board. This is what it looks like when it's installed. Got some grass on here. I dropped it earlier. So, as you can see, it's a pretty great product. In my opinion, a lot of the advantages outweigh the disadvantages of it, especially if you're wanting to compare this against natural shake. But let's go ahead and talk about the cost a little bit. All right, so let's talk about the cost associated with cedar shakes versus synthetic cedar shakes. Well, the cost is roughly about the same. Whether it's the material and the labor, it's all about the same because it's a very similar product. You might be able to get your labor a little bit cheaper because this product's so much lighter and it is easier to install than natural shakes, but overall the cost is going to be about the same. Now, one thing we haven't talked about is the life expectancy of this particular type of roofing system. Now, a cedar shake and a synthetic cedar shake, both are going to last about 30 to 50 years. Now, this product claims it's a 50-year shingle, and we don't know yet, though. That's the big issue for me, is that we're not sure how long this thing's going to last. Now, the manufacturers believe it's going to last 50 years, but we haven't had any roof with this installed last that long because the product's so new. Now, the same thing applies to the synthetic slate that's available. We've installed it on several roofs. It's a great looking product, but I still want to see if it's going to last 50 years or not. I think these are great products, and I think that there's definitely an opportunity for them to last that long, but we're just going to have to wait and see. But with natural shakes, you are going to get a 30 to 50 year roof most of the time. Okay, so that's it. That's the end of the video. Guys, if you have any questions or you want to add any comments, we love getting questions from other contractors, other homeowners. Same thing with the comments. Maybe there's something we missed, something that you want to add. Please leave that in the comments section below. We really appreciate it. And also, if the video was helpful, give us a thumbs up. It really helps out our channel. And if you haven't subscribed to Digital Roofing Innovations yet, here's your official invitation to subscribe. And always, Digital Roofing Innovations, we believe in using a modern approach with traditional values. Have a great day.